Hello and welcome to the session. Today's session will discuss the problem on IQR, that is Inter Quartile Range. We have discussed the concepts of IQR in the previous session, the link for which is given in the description box. Now let's see the problem with respect to IQR. So the question is, for patient's age list, these are the values in the list for which we have to find the IQR. So the first step is, as we already know, the formula of IQR is we have to subtract Q 0.75 with Q 0.25. So we are actually subtracting the third quartile with the first quartile. So we need to find the quartiles mainly. Okay, so let's first prepare the list, take the list which is given in the question and find the median for this. So as we can see here, the number of values here is odd number. So we have here 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 values we have, and therefore the fifth value would be the median. Right? So we have the exact middle point, which is the median. So the median is equal to 24. So it is in the fifth position. Now step 2 is, all the values before this medium is the first quartile, all the values after this medium is the second quartile. So first let's select the first quartile, that is 12, 14, 19, 22, and in the first quartile let's try to find the median. Now the number of values here are even. So as discussed in the previous session, now the median would be the, we don't really have a exact middle value. So what we do is we take the average of the two middle values. The two middle values here are 14 and 19. So we take the average of this. So average of 14 plus 19 is what? 16.5. So that would be the first quartile value, or the Q 0.25. So Q 0.25 is 16.5. Next, let's go to the second quartile, that is 26, 28, 31, 34. So among this, again to find the median, we have to take the average of 28 and 31. So that would be 29.5, which is the Q 0.75, or the third quartile value. So finally we have now achieved the Q 0.25, which is the 16.5, which we have got as the median of the first quartile. We have got Q 0.75, which is the mid value of the second quartile, and we have also got the median, that is 24, which is the Q 0.5. Now what we have to do is we have to find IQR. So the entire quartile range is just the difference of Q 0.575 minus Q 0.25, which we get as 13. So this is the IQR. Now suppose in the question they also ask you to find the semi-interquartile range. It is nothing but semi, and therefore you have to take the half of the IQR. So half of IQR is nothing but semi-interquartile range. IQR is 13, therefore half of that is 6.5, which is nothing but SIQR. So therefore IQR for this list, patient's age list, is 13, and semi IQR is 6.5. So thank you so much. In the next session we will see the next problem related to the 5-point summary and box plots. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.